Hot, and that is an understatement, as we didn't break records across many areas today. We shattered records from Northern California all the way to the Mexican border. California is seeing monumental record-breaking heat, and you can see these temperatures. Really almost hard to understand that it can get that hot. But San Luis Obispo, I want to point out, your airport actually topped out at 117. So this is the Cal Poly temperature. Santa Maria, new record, way above where it should be for this time of year. We're going to slowly take apart this heat dome, but it's going to take at least another day or so. So tomorrow, Labor Day, expect to be very warm. High pressure will begin to weaken just a little bit, and we're going to be watching something very important, which is northerly winds over the next few days, maybe even several days, as we're starting to get a little taste of fall. Big pocket of extremely cold weather. We're going to see weather whiplash, is what I've been hearing, is going to crash into the intermountain areas. We're talking about dropping temperatures 60, 70 degrees. That's going to set us up for a pressure change, and that means basically, real simple, is that we start to see a northerly flow developing, and even a bona fide Santa Ana wind for Southern California, which of course does affect Central as well as we go to about Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So temperatures will slowly come back down. We'll see the marine layer try to work its magic a little bit, possibly late Labor Day, and then more so on Tuesday. But if we do get that Santa Ana wind, we'll expect to see that marine layer get pushed back into the ocean really quickly as we head toward, say, Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll watch the winds. Of course, it looks like the South Coast definitely sees a little north hint of a wind right there. And then we'll see the map get a little bit more busy in this corner, and then more towards Southern California as, again, we head toward about Wednesday. Now, temperatures for your Monday, another extremely hot day, especially for the Central Coast inland areas. Looks like the beaches do a little bit better, and inland areas south of Point Conception doing a little bit better. Still well above normal, still within the heat warning range and advisory range. Tuesday, though, you'll notice we'll see a much better map as we start to drop temperatures down. And when you know it's been really hot, when you say that that's a good drop even for Paso Robles as they stay at about 105. We're also watching the regional temperatures, and watch what happens here. It's very hot across the west, everybody getting this heat, but then look at Tuesday, the cold air crashing down into the intermountain areas, and that's going to bring in low pressure, then high pressure. That's going to set up the wind machine across Southern California. So we go from extreme heat to extreme fire concerns as we head toward the middle of next week. We already have the fire concerns across much of the west, and look at the smoke issues around our region, all because the Sierra fire now being the big one. Northern California fires still continuing to burn across so many areas. I saw the latest count was somewhere around 70 fires or something like that that are official. So eye on the wind, staying very hot for the Santa Barbara South Coast. Your areas north and west of Point Conception, if you're by the beaches, you do a little bit better. If you're inland, just expect another dangerously hot day. And I really want to point out one more time, those north winds, we have to keep a very close eye on that. So extreme fire danger throughout much of the region. At least we are going to take a little bit of an edge off the heat, but of course, especially as I leave it on Ventura County here, watching that Santa Ana wind develop as we head into next week. A little taste of fall, but this is sort of the downside as the fire season starts to get a little bit more critical.